To-do lists. You love them, you hate them. We all have them. I loved them when I was working in the corporate world. I wrote so many to-do lists that at some point I needed a to-do list to organize my to-do lists. Now, if you are like me, you love to write to-do lists and you love to cross items off the to-do list once you completed them, then here's another way of how to take your to-do list to the next level. Once I found this out, um, my productivity increased exponentially. So you can still have your to-do list. I don't want to take that away from you. I still write them because I do like to cross things off. Yes, I like the serotonin. And what I also learned to do is to put the tasks on my calendar. So this is my tip for you. Write the to-do list, then take your calendar. I use my phone, my Google Calendar, and I allocate time for the tasks that I want to accomplish. I think about it, how much time would it take to, I don't know, do the dishes, do the laundry, finish a project, send emails, whatever it is in your life, add it in there. If it's important to you, put it on your calendar. Make the time for it. And then another tip, create categories. So I have work, I have personal, I have volunteering, and so on. Because it's important for me to know, how do I spend my time? And in order to quickly see it, I use color coding. So color code them. Pick a color. For me, green is for everything personal, so that when I look at my calendar, I can easily and very fast see, okay, today is filled with a lot of personal tasks, or today is a mixture of personal and work tasks. So it's important for me to not just see, kind of prepare for the day ahead of me in the morning, but to also look back and see how I spent my time, and then reflect on it, and then make changes and adjust. So remember, if it's important for you, add it to your calendar, make the time, create the categories, color code, because when it's on your calendar, we just have a tendency to go do those tasks. So try it out. Let me know what you think. I hope that it will increase your productivity as well.